No, I'm gonna regret this, but we just got to the grocery store. I need to get a bunch of things because I'm making Christmas cookie trays. Yes, honey. She's singing Twinkle Twinkle. Yeah, okay. Yay! All right, let's go inside. We're going old school today, pen and paper. That sneaky ginger, there it is. All of that ginger was moldy, so we're gonna get this. In a week or so, these will be nowhere to be found. I feel like Kennedy would love these. Every Christmas growing up, me and my sisters would eat those. We would actually toast them to warm them up, so nostalgic. Oh yes. I wasn't even gonna check for the poppy. I was just walking through this aisle. You're joking. Just getting one. All right, this aisle is about to be my Olympics. First things first, we need flour. Yes! There was a gentleman asking where the pepperoncinis are, and I told him all the spots he would be able to find them. We're gonna find the good ricotta. Okay. These have been sold out for weeks. We need the Kerrygold. Okay, they only have this Kerrygold, but it's 8 ounces, so that's a cup or 2 sticks. I think I'm gonna get this for New Year's Eve. Okay, and now one of the last things, I need pistachios because I'm gonna be making lemon pistachio biscotti as part of my cookie trays. Looks like these are the only option I have. Okay, now the last things that we need are some frozen items, just for like lunches and snacks. Real talk, my grandparents, they also grocery shop here, and those are their favorite donuts. They claim that the grocery store has the best donuts. I have yet to try them, but I will. I'll let y'all know. Stop it now, Ben and Jerry. I feel like we're gonna need one of these for lunch one day this week. I feel like that's everything. Just got home putting all the groceries away, but I wanted to give y'all a little tip if you're making any cookies or anything for the holiday this week. So I like to use Kerrygold when I'm making my Christmas cookies. When I got to the butter section though of my grocery store, there's a bunch of people standing around, and I noticed they didn't have the sticks of Kerrygold, but they had these containers. But traditionally, butter in these containers, it's supposed to be spreadable. There's usually added oils and stuff. But I grabbed one of these and I looked at the ingredients, and it's the same ingredients as in the sticks of butter for Kerrygold. It's the same thing. It's just in this container, so it's reusable. You know, like you can put the lid on after you get what you need. Anyway, so I started grabbing these, loading up my cart, and then the guy next to me, he's like, wait a minute, I'm looking for Kerrygold. Is that the same as the sticks? And I was like, yeah. But then people were like, oh, well, I'm going to be cooking with it. I don't know. And I said, it's okay. It's 8 ounces. This is a cup of butter. This is 2 sticks. You only need 1 stick of butter for your cookies. You use half this container. Nice and easy. So anyway, that's my little tip for the week. Anyway, all right, I got to put all this stuff away now. I hope that y'all are having a great Saturday, and I'll talk to you guys later. And if you're making any Christmas cookies this week, what Christmas cookies are you making? Because I picked out the 3 that I'm going to be making. I picked them out today. So let me know what you guys are making. Bye.